Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the professional mode in the camera of Galaxy M15. So in this case, light up, go to the camera icon here, click on the more option here on the down here, and there is a Pro icon, so click on it, and then you have a Pro version of your camera, so you can choose an ISO from here. Yep, you can set up the speed of your photo. You can set manual of that, of your focus. So when you want to say macro, something like that. And you can set the white balance of your photo from the predictable option. And there is all about the professional mode, so I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!